These murderers who came to commit their cowardly act here in Kenya claim that they are there because Kenya is in Somalia. Let me remind them and the world of one thing. For over 20 years, as Somali fought Somali, all that Kenya did was to offer refuge to their citizens who had to flee their war-torn nation. To date, Kenya holds and has the biggest refugee camp in the world, hosting Somalis who have fled their own nation. Let me remind them that it is they who, having had enough of killing themselves in their own country, decided to come and interfere in Kenya. Kidnapping people, taking hostages in Kenya. We did not go there. They came here. And maybe they had a feeling and a thought that because Kenya was a peaceful, civilized society, that we would stand by. We went there to help them bring order in their own nation. And I want to be categorically clear. We will stay there until they bring order in their nation.